Hello, I make weekly investments in the stock market and thought I would bring you along for the ride today. I invest regularly, always $10, and then I play a savings game where I roll and record the numbers, and then I use these numbers to make a second trade. Last week I was rolling and I rolled $24 for today's trade, and then I've got my regular 10, so I need $34, and I'm going to transfer money from my checking account. And I just go to account and then transfer, and then I need to deposit the $34. So I'm going to just type in 34, come in from my checking, and we're just going to do this one time. Got a tab, review the transfer $34, and then because this is a small amount, Robinhood's going to give me easy access to this money. Instant deposit available. And then Robinhood has a service called Robinhood Gold where you can earn interest on your money like it's a high yield savings account. I don't need that because I'm gonna spend this money right away. So at the $10 each week, I am currently investing in SCHD. So I'm gonna click on that right here. Let's see here. So the stock market has been a little bit volatile this week because of the war and things that are going on in the Middle East. So you can see this right here is what's happening today. On the week, it's down a little bit. Still kind of it's been up as high as right here at $32.11. Right now we're at $31.54. So we're kind of getting, I think when the stock market's down a little bit, I think of it as being on sale. So we're going to buy $10 worth. Robinhood allows fractional trading. I don't have to buy a full share. Don't have to have $32. So we're going to buy 0.13715 shares, reviewing my order. Super easy. You don't have to, you can, but you don't have to click on anything. We're doing a buy order. In dollars, $10, and we just click buy. And this is called dollar cost averaging, where I just come in and not really pay it. I'm not really trying to find the lowest price. I'm not watching the market trying to do that. Just come in with my $10 trade each week. And then I'm going to click on this arrow and go back to the main screen. And then I have the second stock that I've been purchasing since I started doing this is this JEPQ. I have the $24 that I can make this purchase with. It looks like it's up higher today. Let's see, on the week it's down lower. So still getting it on sale. So I've got the $24 that I can use today. And again, I don't have to click anything, but if you want to see it, I'm doing a buy order in dollars for $24. Let's review this order. And this is you're placing an order to buy approximately $24 of JEPQ. And then we're going to buy. Done. And just a little bit of information. So now I have, let me see, I've purchased $21 plus 22 plus 24 and 24. So I've spent $91 making trades in the last 4 weeks. This is the fourth week in a row I've done this. So my market value is $91.17 or $90.17. We're down a little bit. It should be 91 is how many dollars I've actually purchased. But because of the volatility in the market, it changes and it goes up and it goes down. So it is what it is. But in over the long term, that it is most likely that that you make a profit on these investments in the stock market. So that's where we're at. We've got made my investments for the day. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. And again, not here as a financial advisor of any sort, just wanted to encourage you to make trades as a fellow investor. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.